Good morning, my dear kids. Now it's time to learn math. Today we are going to learn the complements to the next multiples of 10. In our previous lessons too, we have learned about complements of 10 and also we have learned 10 times table very recently during our multiplication lesson. Let's read this multiplication chart all together. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 30. 10 times 4 40. 10 times 5 50. 10 times 6 60. 10 times 7 70. 10 times 8 80. 10 times 9 90. 10 times 10 100. 10 times 11 110. 10 times 12 120. Now we all have studied this and we know these are the multiples of 10. These blue color numbers are the multiples of 10. This is multiples of 10 are numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. Let's move to our today's lesson. It is in your abacus, year 2, workbook 2, page number 50. It says, write how far frog has jumped to reach the lily pad. We should find how far this frog has to jump to find this lily pad. You may have seen there is a small frog and a lily pad. Now we should find how far this frog should jump to find the lily pad. When you are looking at these 100 squares, you may have observed all these lily pads are there on the complements of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, let's start our activity. Now here the frog is on number 3. Let's start hopping and count how many times he has to jump to reach its lily pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should jump 7 times. It should jump 7 times to find its lily pad. Now the second line. The frog is there on number 15. And the next complement to number 15 is, the nearest complement of 10 is 20. So let's start hopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frog has to jump 5 times to reach its lily pad. And the third line. The frog is there on number 21. Frog is there on number 21 and the nearest complement of 10. It should jump to 30. We wish to find the lily pad on number 30. So we should count how many times this frog has to jump to find the lily pad on number 30. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This frog should jump 9 times. It has to hop 9 times to find the lily pad on number 30. Let's move to our fourth line. Let's find where this frog is. Yeah. It is on number 37 and it should jump to the lily pad which is there on number 40. Let's help him to find the lily pad. 1, 2, 3. Here it should jump 3 times. And my next example, it is in our this we are using this frog. The frog is down number 44 and it should find the lily pad which is there on number 50. So it has to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times to find the lily pad. Now here there are some more activities to complete by yourself. The remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 more frogs to find their lily pad. So please help these frogs to find their lily pad and count how many times, how many hops they should do to find the next complement of 10. Okay. I have one more activity. It is in page number 16 of workbook 2. There also frog is there and the lily pad is there. So again we should help this frog to find its lily pad and how many hops he should do to find the lily pad. Let's start. The frog is there on number 5 and the lily pad is there on number 10. So the frog has to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps to find the lily pad next to him. Okay, the next one. Frog is there on number 26 and the lily pad is there on number 30. Let's find how many hops does this frog do to find its lily pad, which is on the nearest complement of 10. Is 30. So he should do 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. So we can write 4 on the given blank. Third example. Frog is there on number 38 and the lily pad is there on the next complement of 10. It is 40. So this frog has to do 1, 2 jumps to find the lily pad which is next to him. The answer is 2. And here also you have 3 more to complete. You have 3 more examples to complete, right? Now I will move to page number 13. It says, complete the bonds to 10. We have already learned bonds to 10. Complete the bonds to 10. Then find the complement to the next 10. Here, there is a blank. And I have 100 square. This 100 square will help us to do this activity. And also the knowledge what we have gained on number bonds to 10 also will help us to find the answer. First, here look at this. We have 40. That means a complement of 10. And here we have 36. We know 6 plus 4 is equals 10. With the knowledge of bonds to 10, we know 6 plus 4 is equals 10. So, if we write 4 here, let's check what will be the answer. 6 plus 4 is 10. So, we have 30 here. 30 plus 10 is equals 40. And also we can get the help of 100 square too. So we mark 36 on our 100 square and check whether we have done it correctly, and 40, because they have given the 40 as the answer. So let's find how many times we should jump to reach 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the answer is correct. And here it says 44 plus blank is equals 50. Again, we have to use this concept. 1 to 10. We know 6 plus 4 is equals 10. Here we have 44. We can write this as 40 plus 4. So here we have 40, and I will explain it by writing, right? We can expand this as 40 plus 4. And also we can know 4 plus 6 is equals 10. Now let's see what is the answer. We have expanded this 44 as 40 plus 4. And also we know that 4 plus 6 is equals 10. So here we have 10 and here we have 40. 40 plus 10 is equals, the answer is 50. So the answer for here is 6. Let's do it also on the 100 square. I will mark 44. And they have given 50 as the answer. And let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, the answer is correct. And this one. 15 plus blank is equals 20. So we can write this 15 as 10 plus 5. And we know with the knowledge of number bonds to 10, it is 5 plus 5 is equals 10. So we can add one more 5 to check the answer. Here 5 plus 5 it is 10, and along with this 10 the answer is 20. You can try this also in your 100 square, right? And here 12 plus blank is equals 20. We can write this 12 as 10 plus 2. And also, what is the number bond to 10 along with 2? What is it? 2 plus 8. Or 8 plus 2 is equals 10. So we can write here 8. 8 plus 2 is equals 10. And this 10 plus 10 is equals 20. We can do the same thing on the 100 square too. We'll mark 12. They have given 12 and 20. So let's mark 12 and 20 and count the gap in between these two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it is correct. Now I will move to page number 14. There are also the same activities there. It says complete the number sentences putting the next complement of 10 in the green box first. Now here when you are looking at these sums, we can see there are two blanks. There are two boxes to fill. So this says as a guideline, first you have to fill the green box by using the next complement of 10. Then it will be easy for us to find the answer for this blank. Let's do it. Right now we have 24. Let's mark 24 on our 100 square. And let's see what is the nearest complement. The book says it is 30. In the same line, the next complement, right? Next complement for 24 is 30. So we can write 30 here and we can find the answer for this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know 6 plus 4 is equals 10. So 10 plus 20 is equals 30. And here also it is 70. Now we should mark the next complement of 10 to 17. It is, what is the next complement? Here in this line, next complement is 20. So let's write 20 first and we'll find the gap is between these two numbers. With the knowledge of number bonds to 10, we know 7 plus 3 is equals 10. 10 plus 10 is equals 20. Next number, it is 56. Let's mark 56 and find the next complement of 10. Here in this line, next complement of 10 is 60. So we'll mark 60 and find the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here first we should write 60 here, the complement, next complement of 10, and next we can count and write the gap in between these two numbers. And also I will explain this, how do we do this with the help of number bonds. We can expand 56 as 50 plus 6, isn't it? Yes, we can. And also we know 6 plus 4 is equals 10. Now the answer is 60. And here 72. First we should mark 72 and we should find the next complement to 72. When we are moving forward along this line, we need 80 as the next complement. We'll write 80 here first and then we should count the gap in between these two numbers, or else we can use the knowledge of number bonds to 10. Here 72. We can write 72 as 70 plus 2. And as I told you earlier, what is the number bond along with number 2 to make number 10? Number 2 blank. Number 2 plus blank is equals 10. What is the number which should come for the blank? 2 plus 8 is equals 10. So we can write 8 here as. So the answer is 80. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can try both the ways, then you can improve a lot. Okay. This 27. Next number is 27. I will mark 27. And what is the next complement to 27? When we are moving forward along this row, we need 30. So first we should write 30 and we should count the gap in between these two numbers to fill the blank. 1, 2, it is 3. And also here we can say 7 plus 3 is equals 10 and 10 plus 20 is equals 30. Now the next one is little bit different. They have given the answer and one more option. So we can mark 60 on our handle scale. We have already marked, and 4 also. We should mark 4. We have to mark 4 and 60. Now we should count the gap between these two numbers to find the answer. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. The answer is 56 plus 4 is equal 60. We can check it. Here 6 plus 4 is equal 10. We can expand it. 50 plus 6 plus 4 is equal 6 plus 4 is equal 10. So 50 plus 10 is equal, we know it is 60. And there are some more activities in page number 14 too. You have to complete all those activities. And also, when we move to page number 17 of workbook 2, it has something like this. They have given the sum, but we have to find the gap. We have to fill this gap. So first, we should mark the given numbers on the given number line. So I have marked 8 and 14 on my number line. To make me easier to solve this sum, first I will jump to the next complement of 10. And later I will jump to the answer. Now I am on number 8. Now I will jump to the nearest complement of 10. It is 10. So 1, 2. I have to jump 2 times. So I will write 2 here. And now I should find the answer and I should continue my jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have to jump 4 times to find my answer. So 4 plus 2 is equal, we know 4 plus 2 is equal 6. So we can write here 6 as the answer. Next, we have a number line from 34 to 45. So here they have given 37 and 42 in their sum. So we should mark these two on our number line, 37 and 42. As I told you earlier, for make me easier to solve this sum, I will jump first to the nearest complement of 10. Next complement of 10. So the next complement of 10 to 37 is 40. So first I will jump to 40. 1, 2, 3. So I have to jump 3 times to meet the next complement of 10. And then I will jump to the answer. 1, 2. I have to jump 2 times. And here 3 plus 2 we know it is 5. So we can write here 5 as the answer. You can add these and check whether we have done it correctly, right? You can double check your answer. My last example for today. This is also there in page number 17 and we have a number line from 53 to 64. And in the sum they have given 56 plus blank is equal 61. So I will mark all the given numbers on my number line 56 and 61. And for make me easier to find the answer, first I will jump to the next complement of 10 from 56. What is the next complement of 10 to 56? It is 60. So first I will jump to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to jump 4 times. And next, the answer is 61. So I have to jump up to 61 from 60. Ah, I have to jump only once. So the answer is 1. Now we can add these two together to find how many times we should move to reach 61. 4 plus 1 is equal, it is 5. So we can write 5 here as the answer. Now I think it's a little bit clear for you all because we have already done these things, these concepts, number bonds to 10 and also next complement of 10 in our previous lesson. And today I have completed I have completed more activities in all these pages and you have to complete the balance. I have explained some activities in each and every page and there is a balance for you to complete. So please complete page number 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 in Abacus Year 2 Workbook 2. You know, no need to complete all the things because I have already explained something in this video. You can do those examples with me and also you have to complete the balance. Try to complete these pages. Enjoy with your lesson. Have a nice day and thank you for listening. See you